Hello guys, welcome back to again iTechHub YouTube channel and my name is Dhruvin. So guys, in this video I will show you Instagram Insight option is not showing on my iPhone and Android device. Lot of Instagram user has been reporting to Instagram new update after Instagram Insight and professional dashboard option is not showing. Now the Instagram users question is what to do for the get Instagram Insight options on my account. So guys, before the starting this video, please make sure to subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video about iPhone and iPad. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the Instagram Insight options not showing on Instagram application. Now the first of all, open the Instagram applications. Now right inside bottom logo icon available. Now simply tap on that. Now you can see also lot of users to say in my this page professional dashboard and Insight options not showing. Now the users question is what to do for the fixing this issue. Now the first one solution is latest versions to update your Instagram applications on your iPhone and Android device. Now first of all open the Play Store in the Android and App Store in the iPhone. Now the top corner search bar, in search bar search Instagram applications. Instagram application search after any latest versions available. Now please make sure latest versions to update your Instagram applications on your iPhone and Android device. Now the second solution is download install the old versions of the Instagrams. Now the simple thing is find out the Instagram applications from the home page. Now press and hold and last option is uninstall. Uninstall is successfully done after open the any browser. In my case I will open the Chrome browser. In the Chrome browsers, you can see also top corner search bar, in search bar search old versions of the Instagrams. This official website link I give you mention on my descriptions box, so guys easily copy and paste on your browser. Open the websites after you can see also 8 September stable versions of the Instagram old versions available. Now simple thing is download, install and log in your account. This way too you can easily insert problem fix on your iPhone and Android device. Now the third one most important solution is clear data and clear cache of the Instagram applications. Now first of all find out the Instagram applications from the home screens, press and hold and last option is app information. Open the app informations after you can see also first one option is storage uses. Now simple thing tap on it after wait for the some time for the calculations of the storage. Calculations done after you can see also right hand side clear data and clear cache options available. Now simple thing is tap on both and you can easily clear cache and clear data of the Instagram. Now the last one solution is wait for the sometimes because it's a Instagram bugs. So guys as soon as fix from the Instagram application. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share if you any query about it. So please DM on my Instagram and also comment on this video comment sections. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.